to my channel Inspired Birdie for another Plan With Me series for the Happy Planner, or like I say, whatever planner that you want to work with today. So I have a really fun summery theme. It is going to be around bees. I just thought it would be so super cute. And while we're at it, I wanted to share this with you. I hauled this in one of my haul videos back a few months. All depends on when this video gets posted, because I do record batch videos to make sure that I always have content, but I hauled this back I think in like March or April. I just love this file folder. Look at this, super cute. And how I'm using it is for my planner. So I already have my themes cut out in here, so they're all ready to go, and it keeps them all nice and organized. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I just love it. It's super organized, and in case you guys cut out your own planner supplies, it's just a really great idea, and I got that from the Dollar Tree. So anyways, moving on to this week's theme, bees. I got all of my pictures, of course, from Google Images or Pinterest. Pinterest has a lot of great images lately. I think this guy was from Google Images. Super cute. Look at that. And I just printed it off the internet. And then these cute pictures. And then some like backgrounds. I just looked for honey backgrounds so that I can have some of those. And then a few more really cute images. Oh, this guy's so cute. Look at that. How many times can I say cute in a video? That is the question. Look at that. So adorable. And then for some washi, I figured let's go with the traditional black and yellow. So I have this thicker one, which is from AliExpress. Same with this one here. Whoops, there we go. These two are also from AliExpress. And then I might add some floral, you know, bees like their pollen. So I might add that as well. This is from the Dollar Tree. And that's it, guys. So go ahead, grab your planner, grab your crafts if you're planning along with me. I'll throw on some music for you guys, and let's get planning. so there you have this week's Plan With Me theme. Super cute. I love it so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Also, just really quickly, I get a lot of questions about how I print my pictures out to fit my planner perfectly. I do have a video, it's called a tutorial on how to, that I share how I go ahead and do that. I'll link it at the very end for those of you who are interested in how I do that. If you're watching on a mobile device or Apple TV, you won't see the link, so you'll have to go on your PC to check it out or search it, but I do have a video to help you guys out. All right, again, hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Would love to have you join me every Sunday for a plan with me. And as always, leave me a comment below on any theme ideas that you would like to see. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Love and peace to you all. Bye.